Government schemes, India and states, current affairs MCQ.
1. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Kalakar Pension Yojana? A. Gujarat. B. Jharkhand. C. Bihar. D. Odisha. Correct answer, C. Bihar. 2. The National Overseas Scholarship Numbers scheme is administered by which ministry? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of External Affairs. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Skill Development. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 3. Nyad Nelanar scheme was launched by which state government? A. Jharkhand. B. Bihar. C. Odisha. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer, D. Chhattisgarh. 4. Which ministry has launched the ADITI scheme to boost industrial competitiveness, jobs, and climate action? A. Ministry of Power. B. Ministry of Science and Technology. C. Ministry of Heavy Industries. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, A. Ministry of Power. 5. Pradhan Mantri Virasat Ka Samvardhan, PM Vikas, scheme was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Minority Affairs. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Minority Affairs. 6. Which state government has launched the Dhwanaspandana Yojana to help visually impaired passengers travel independently? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, D. Karnataka. 7. What is the main objective of the Kutir Jyoti scheme? A. Promote electric vehicle adoption in cities. B. Provide electricity access to rural below poverty line, BPL, families. C. Install solar panels in government offices. D. Subsidize commercial electricity consumers. Correct answer, B. Provide electricity access to rural below poverty line, BPL, families. 8. Which state UT has launched one-time regularization scheme for unauthorized constructions in July 2025? A. Puducherry. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Lakshadweep. D. Goa. Correct answer, A. Puducherry. 9. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has introduced Palna scheme under which mission? A. Mission Shakti. B. Udan scheme. C. Asmita initiative. D. Ujjwala mission. Correct answer, A. Mission Shakti. 10. The scheme for promotion of culture of science, SPOCS, is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Tourism. C. Ministry of Earth Sciences. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Earth Sciences. 11. National Overseas Scholarship Numbers scheme is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of External Affairs. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 12. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, PMMVY, is implemented under which subscheme of Mission Shakti? A. Samarthya. B. Sambal. C. Shaksham. D. Shakti. Correct answer, A. Samarthya. 13. National Means Merit Scholarship Scheme, NMMSS, was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Education. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Education. 14. Which state government has launched the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Chevening Scholarship Scheme for Higher Education in United Kingdom? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, B. Uttar Pradesh. 15. Chief Minister Kisan Kalyan Yojana, CMKKY, was launched by which state government? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer, A. Madhya Pradesh. 16. The National Assessment Hub, NSSH, scheme was launched under which ministry? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. 17. Which ministry launched the Adi Karmayogi Abhiyan? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. 18. Smile Scheme, Support for Marginalized Individuals for Livelihood and Enterprise, was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development. B. Ministry of Urban Development. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 19. What is the name of the biggest financial inclusion initiative in the world launched by India? A. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. B. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. C. Atal Pension Yojana. D. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Correct answer B. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. 20. Matsya Shakti project is associated with which sector? A. Textile industry. B. Solar energy. C. Horticulture. D. Fisheries and aquaculture. Correct answer D. Fisheries and aquaculture. 21. Chief Minister Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme was launched by which state government? A. Punjab. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer D. Madhya Pradesh. 22. Namo Lakshmi Yojana was launched by which state government? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Odisha. D. Haryana. Correct answer A. Gujarat. 23. PM Vishwakarma scheme is launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Correct answer D. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. 24. Which state government has launched the Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi Yojana in September 2025? A. Odisha. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Gujarat. Correct answer C. Haryana. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.